wish to present to you a gift.
Dr. Ainojie Alexander Irune. Well, we're here to pay our respects to our host, Executive Governor of Rivers State, because as you know, Oando Energy Resources Port Harcourt base is located in this state, and our smooth operation so far has been a function of a stable environment, a stable community, and the ability for us to carry out our day-to-day operations within this community. So we're here to pay that courtesy visit and thank the governor for the continued support that he has given to the company. We believe the operating environment has been improving. We see there's some unrest in some areas, especially as it regards to the issue of pipeline vandalism, but we see a significant improvement. We continue to engage with all the relevant stakeholders, especially our host communities, who we must carry along on this journey of success and transformation to create a more habitable and more dignifying ecosystem to exist in. And I believe that this will be the first step to reducing the level of destruction that we see. Overall, it's a peaceful state, a peaceful environment. The government agencies very cooperative, and our local communities have so far been extremely welcoming and have shown a lot of pride in the transition into indigenous hands of the formerly ENI AGIP held asset to a local company, Oando Energy Resources. Invest in the country. We will continue to invest in the upstream, which brings us to the conversation of why we are here. We have ambitions to deliver 100,000 barrels over the next 4 to 5 years and over 1.5 billion standard cubic feet of gas. We can only do that in harmony. We can't do it in a chaotic environment. And we have chosen this state as our base, whilst we produce from 3 other states. We have Bayelsa, we have Imo State, we also have Delta State as well. And these assets span OMO 60, 61, 62, and 63, span all of these states. So we plan continuous investment, but our priority for investment must be not just in the asset, but also in the communities that these assets operate.